This is James Flaskamp, digital learning coach at Independence High School in Frisco, Texas, and this is PowerPoint Live for ESL in under 5 minutes. If you have ESL students or participants who could otherwise benefit from a live transcript of your presentation in the language of their choice, PowerPoint Live presents a great user-friendly option. With PowerPoint Live, participants are able to join your presentation from their device by scanning a QR code or clicking the link you provide to them. Then, similar to Nearpod or Pear Deck, they'll see their presenter's slides on their own screen. Participants can then zoom into slides, give feedback, send reactions to the presenter, see previous slides, but the coolest feature, in my opinion, and the one that separates this tool from the rest of the pack, is the ability for a participant to see live subtitles in their preferred language while the presenter speaks. Here's how to make that happen. One quick note. What I'm about to show you will not work with a free Office account. You have to have an Office 365 subscription, whether it's a personal subscription or one you have through your school or job. For live transcription to work, you also need something that's going to capture your voice, a webcam, a microphone, etc. Okay, so log into your Office 365 account. You have a list of your existing presentations here, or you can create a new one. I already happen to have a fabulous, earth-shatteringly brilliant presentation that I can use for this demonstration, so I'll go ahead and open that. Now, assuming you're ready to present, go ahead and click the slideshow option in the ribbon up top, then Present Live. If you click the drop-down menu, you'll have the option of limiting your audience to only those in your school or organization, or allowing anyone to join your audience. I'll say only people in my organization, then click Present Live. When the presentation starts, you'll see this home screen showing the link and QR code to join the session, as well as how many have joined your audience. So I'm going to show you the audience view along with the presenter view as I go ahead and join. I'm going to go the link route. So now on the presenter screen, I see someone has joined my presentation and is ready to learn. So I'm going to go ahead and click Show Slides in the bottom right. Notice that even when you're presenting slides, the link to join the presentation is still displayed at the top for those who may be arriving late to your presentation. Now take a look at the audience view. Let's say I'm an ESL student and the language the presenter is using is not my first language. This transcription window on the right is going to be my best friend. It opens by default, and all I have to do is go down here and change the language to whichever one of the 60 listed languages I prefer. The live transcription automatically switches to my chosen language, and all the previous transcription does too. I'm feeling a bit Finnish today, so I'll go with that. Nah, actually, let's go with Ukrainian. I'm very linguistically talented. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Neither the presenter nor the participant has to do anything particularly special to get this to work. One thing to note is that there's no option for participants to save a copy of the transcript here in the interface, but an easy workaround would be for the participant to just copy and paste it into a Word or Google Doc. The transcript goes away once you've ended the session, so make sure any copying and pasting gets done before you do that. I also want to point out that PowerPoint Live is capable of displaying live subtitles on the presenter screen as well, should that prove useful for you. Just click this little icon in the bottom left to turn it on or off. It will create subtitles in your default language, but you're able to change the language by going to this subtitle dropdown in the slideshow section of the ribbon. So, voila! That's how you use PowerPoint Live to provide your participants with live transcription in the language of their choice. Happy presenting! I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Let me know if you have questions, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more digital learning resources. This is James the DLC, signing off.